How to buy Bitcoin on Cash App and send to another wallet, step-by-step tutorial. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can buy Bitcoin and send it to another wallet, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to buy Bitcoin and send to another wallet from Cash App, simply open up Cash App over here, and once you open up Cash App, this is the kind of interface that you will see here, right? To buy Bitcoin, you need to come over here and then just tap on the buy option to actually buy a certain amount of Bitcoin. But to send Bitcoin, you can just tap on this little option over here when you come to the Bitcoin tab. Now enter the dollars worth of Bitcoin that you want to send. After you select that, tap on the send option, then simply paste the address to which wallet you're trying to send, right? So once you paste the wallet address, then tap on the next option from there. Then you can simply again confirm the address and tap on the next option. Now you can simply confirm your withdrawal to this certain wallet, tap on confirm, and your Bitcoin will get successfully sent. And this way you can buy and send Bitcoin from Cash App to another wallet. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any questions, queries, or doubts, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.